Welcome to our channel. If you need to reset your Ally Bank username because you've forgotten it or for security purposes, here's how to recover your account access. Step 1. Visit ally.com and click the login button at the top of the page. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Username or Password link below the login fields. Step 2. Click Forgot Username to start the recovery process. Ally will verify your identity before allowing you to reset your username. Step 3. Enter your account number from your Ally Bank statement or account information. Also provide your social security number or tax ID for identity verification. Step 4. Provide your date of birth and zip code associated with your Ally Bank account. This information helps Ally confirm you're the authorized account holder. Step 5. Ally will ask security questions based on your account history and personal information. Answer these verification questions accurately to proceed with username recovery. Step 6. Once your identity is confirmed, Ally will display your username on the screen or send it to your registered email address. Make a note of this username securely. Step 7. If you want to create a new username, select the option to reset it. Choose a new username between 6 and 20 characters that's easy to remember but secure. Step 8. Ally may send a verification code to your registered phone number or email address. Enter this code when prompted to complete the username reset process. After resetting, consider also updating your password and enabling two-factor authentication for enhanced account security. You can now log in with your recovered or new username to access Ally Online Banking. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.